In this video, I will tell you one very strange operation in C with a strange operator. And this strange operator will look like this. And this operator is known as NOT operator. So how this operator will function, I'm writing one code. Say I have main and here I'm just taking one variable num. Say num is equal to 10. And now say I'm using this operator printf %d. So first I'm writing C, not, then the variable name, and then I'm giving some operator and then some random value, right? Then again I'm writing one line printf %d. Again I'm using this operator num. Again I'm using another operator with some random value. So similarly I will write another two printf statement with some other operators. It is 5 and say printf not of num less than 5. Then if I tell you that, can you tell me what is the output of this code? See, I will first tell you what is the behavior, actual behavior of this not operator. Not means actually the complement. Now how it will execute, I will tell you. So first the value 10 will be assigned to this variable num. So num is having value 10. Now come to this line. So here num is having value 10. Now here I am checking single equal to means I am assigning the value to some variable, and double equal to means I am checking whether the value of this variable is equal to 5 or not. So this is for checking purpose and single equal to is for assignment purpose. So here num is having value 10. Since we have here 2 equal to, so basically I am checking whether this 10 is equal to 10 or not. So here in within this bracket my answer is yes. 10 is equal to 10. So in computer, yes means 1. So basically output of this enclosed area is 1. Now we have not operator. So not of 1 means complement of 1. So complement of 1 is 0. So output of this line is 0. Now I am explaining it again with the second example. So num is having value 10. So here I am checking whether num is 10, whether 10 is not equal to 10. I am checking this. So 10 is not equal to 10. So output of this enclosed area is no. No or false. No means 0 for the computer. Now I am applying complement sign on this 0. So output of this bracket will be complement of 0 means 1. Again similarly, the initial value of num is 10. Here I am checking whether 10 is greater than 5. It is yes, 10 is greater than 5. So this enclosed area will give you the output yes. Yes means 1. And now I am applying complement of 1 means 0. So output of this statement is 0. Similarly, here I am checking 10 is less than 5 means it is false. False means it is 0 and I am applying complement. Complement of 0 means 1, right? And output of this will be 1. So this is another operator which is known as NOT operator.